In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out a person in Photoshop. This process is a fantastic way to isolate subjects from their backgrounds for more creative possibilities. Let's jump right in and explore the various steps involved. To begin, you'll need to open Photoshop and load the image you want to work with. Locate your image file and either drag it into the Photoshop workspace or use the File menu to open it. An easy way to do this is by clicking on File, then Open, and selecting your desired image. This sets the stage for our editing task. Next, you need to select the person you want to cut out from the image. Photoshop offers several selection tools that can help, but the most commonly used one is the Quick Selection tool, which you can find in the toolbar on the left. Simply click on it and then drag your mouse over the subject you want to isolate. The tool will automatically detect the edges and begin to highlight the area. Remember, you can adjust the size of the selection brush depending on the precision you need. If you've accidentally selected more area than planned, hold the Alt key and drag over the excess to remove it from your selection. Once you have your subject well defined and selected, it's time to cut the image. This is easily done by copying and pasting the selection onto a new layer. On a Windows computer, you can press Ctrl+C to copy the image and Ctrl+V to paste it. Doing this will create a new layer with just the cutout element, allowing you to manipulate it independently from the original background. An advantage of using layers is that it enables you to make changes without affecting the rest of your image, which is always a great practice in Photoshop editing. Now that you have your subject isolated, you might want to adjust the color to make it stand out or blend more effectively with a new background. Head over to the Image menu, choose Adjustments, and then select Hue Saturation. Here, you can tweak the colors until you achieve the desired look. This is particularly useful if you're looking to change the color of clothing or simply want to enhance the overall appeal of the image. Be sure to keep an eye on the preview as you make adjustments to see how the changes affect your subject. And there you have it, a perfectly cut out person along with some basic color adjustments to make your image look even more captivating. These steps will give you a solid foundation to create dynamic and visually striking compositions in Photoshop. Feel free to experiment, as this will only enhance your skills in using this powerful editing tool. Thank you for following along, and happy editing!